Hello friends, this is class 6th Honeysuckle lesson 2 How the dog found himself a new master. Today I will describe you this chapter briefly and tomorrow we are going to explain this chapter in deep. A brief description of this chapter. This is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First, he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest. After some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend, and that's why the dog is called the best animal or the loyal animal, the most loyal animal for men. And this is the only reason the mankind, the human beings especially, they like to keep dogs as pets at their homes. Your homework is to read lesson 2 of Honeysuckle, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. Now we shall discussion of the solution of homework which I assigned you in last class. In last class I explained you nouns and on the basis of explanation I assigned you some homework. Before we begin with the discussion of homework, I would like to give you a recap of the last class explanation. First of all, nouns. Nouns are naming words. Name of any person, place, thing or any idea is called a noun. Nouns are of 5 kinds, but in your syllabus, in your book, it is given, it is of 4 types. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun and abstract noun. What is proper noun? When we take a particular name, a proper name of someone, that is a proper noun. Common name, a name which is taken in general or a common name of somebody is called a common name. Abstract noun, the feeling, the thought or any idea which can be felt but which cannot be touched, that is abstract noun. Now collective noun. Collective noun is collection of something, some persons is called collective noun. Now let us begin with exercise 1. This is exercise 1 and its question is underline the proper nouns and italic the common nouns in the following sentences. Number 1. Abdul and Latif are brothers. Abdul and Latif are the names of boys, so these are proper nouns. Underline Abdul and Latif. And brothers is common noun. Number 2. Mr. Lal is flying to Singapore on Friday. Here flying means he is going by air. Mr. Lal is proper noun, Singapore and Friday, these 3 are proper nouns. Number 3. Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is proper noun, capital is common noun and India is proper noun. Number 4. The Gita and the Quran are holy books. Gita and Quran, both are the names of books. So these are proper nouns. Underline them. Books is common noun. Number 5. Mother Teresa Girls High School has brilliant students. So Mother Teresa Girls High School is proper noun. It is the name of the school, and students is common noun. So it will be italic. Number 6. Nelson is famous for his victory at Trafalgar. So Nelson is a name of person and Trafalgar is a name of place. So both are proper nouns. So both will be underlined. Now next exercise. Exercise 2. And the question is, underline the abstract nouns in the following sentences. And the question begins here. Question number 1. He lost his parents in childhood. Childhood is abstract noun. Number 2. The elephant has great strength. Strength is abstract noun. Number 3. They groped their way through darkness. Darkness is abstract noun. Number 4. The wall is 20 centimeters in thickness. Here thickness is abstract noun. Number 5. Warmth is necessary for life. Here warmth is abstract noun. Underline it. Number 6. Rama's words filled Sita's heart with gladness. Gladness is abstract noun. Number 7. The streets of his town are noted for their crookedness. Here crookedness is abstract noun. Next 8. And number 8 is, without health there is no happiness. Health and happiness both are abstract nouns, because health and happiness both can be felt but none of them can be touched. Number 9. Wisdom is better than strength. Wisdom and strength both are abstract nouns. Number 10. I often think of the happy days of childhood. Again, childhood is abstract noun. Now we shall begin with exercise 3. And the question says, underline the nouns in the following sentences and say whether they are common, proper, abstract or collective. Write C for common, P for proper, A for abstract and CO for collective nouns. Let's begin with question number 1. A cold wind blew last night. Wind is common noun. Night is also common noun. Number 2. The girl has a sweet voice. Girl common noun. Voice common noun. Number 3. Agra has many fine buildings. Agra is proper noun as it is the name of the place. Buildings is common noun. Number 4. There was a large crowd in the street. Crowd is a group of many people. So this is collective noun. Mention CO here. Street is common noun. Number 5. The child has caught a cold. Child common noun. Cold common noun. Number 6 is, are you speaking the truth? Truth is abstract noun because we cannot touch truth but we can feel it. Number 7. Columbus discovered America. Columbus is proper noun. America is also proper noun. Number 8. Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is proper noun and city is common noun. Number 9. A florist sells flowers. Florist is common noun. Flowers is also common noun. Number 10. Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Solomon, proper noun, and wisdom is abstract noun. Number 11. He treats his children with great kindness. Children is common noun. Kindness is abstract noun. Number 12. The people who live in Holland are called Dutch. People, common noun, Holland, proper noun, and Dutch, proper noun. Exercise 4, and the question is, say which of the following nouns are countable and which are uncountable. Write C for countable and UC for uncountable nouns. Number 1. Chair. As we can count the number of chairs, so this is countable. Number 2. House. House is countable. Number 3. Water. Water cannot be counted. That is uncountable. I told you earlier also in last class while explaining countable and uncountable. When we get the answer of how many, that is countable, and when we get the answer of how much, that is uncountable. So water is, we get the answer of water in how much only. Means how much water do you need? I need little water, half glass of water. Then there water is uncountable noun. Number 4. Cup. Cup is countable. Number 5. Wheat. Wheat is uncountable. Number 6. Music. Uncountable. Number 7. Song. Countable. Number 8. Cleverness. Uncountable. Number 9. Cotton. Uncountable. Number 10. Film. Countable. Number 11. Happiness. Uncountable. Number 12. Telephone. Countable. You can see number 6 was music, that was uncountable noun, and number 7 was song, that was countable noun. Now what is the difference between music and song? Here in music we get the answer of how much. For example, how much music can you listen in a day? That is, there we are getting the answer of how much. And if I ask how many songs do you have in your phone, then we say that songs can be countable. Songs can be counted. So song is countable noun. Next, exercise 5. Add nouns in the blank spaces. Number 1. Dash crow in the morning. Its answer, the cocks crow in the morning. Number 2. Dash should obey their parents. Answer, children should obey their parents. Number 3. The cow gives us dash. Its answer, the cow gives us milk. Number 4. Dash is wealth. Answer, health is wealth. Dash is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Number 6. He was bitten by a dash of bees. Its answer, he was bitten by a swarm of bees. Now let us discuss the answer of the question which I gave you yesterday to write in your English rough notebook. Hot question. Hot means high order thinking question. And the question is money countable noun or uncountable noun? Its answer, Money is uncountable noun as we can't count money, but we can count rupees. Because we cannot say 1 money, 2 money, 3 money or 100 money or 1000 money. But we can say 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 100 rupees or 1000 rupees. So here the answer is money is uncountable that cannot be counted, but rupees are countable that can be counted. Thank you so much.